Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify theme updated. Start by duplicating your live theme to create a development copy and avoid breaking your store. Open the theme editor, change settings, add or remove sections, and adjust fonts and colors for consistent branding. Preview on mobile and desktop, check checkout and app integrations, and keep a simple changelog so you can roll back if needed. Start by setting global colors, fonts, and spacing so your site feels cohesive from the first visit. Tweak header and footer layouts, then structure navigation to reduce clicks to product pages. Add hero images, featured collections, and promotional banners that load fast and look good on small screens. Keep accessibility in mind with alt text and clear contrasts, and save changes often so testing reflects current design. Carefully add apps one at a time and test their impact on performance and layout. Use the preview feature to verify app widgets appear where expected and do not disrupt mobile responsiveness. Monitor page speed, lazy load images, and compress large files to keep load times low. Validate checkout flow, discount codes, and analytics tracking, then document any tweaks so the live launch goes smoothly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.